Well, guys, we just hit the ATS on this random shooter. Make sure you're watching this video. You don't want to miss it. I do track it along so you can actually see it. I didn't realize it until I got closer to the end of the video where we were and how we were hitting our numbers. And when I went back and edited this, I realized we did actually hit it. So make sure you watch it and share the progression as we do, as we roll this thing out. Here we go. Okay, guys, it is St. Patrick's Day week, and I am feeling pretty lucky. Are you? Well, what we're going to do here is we're going to have a very aggressive, fun strategy that takes a lot of luck. And what I mean by that is we're going to have enough bankroll to cover about 15 shooters. Usually people like to plan for 10. However, I am so confident that you could lose very easily at this strategy that takes a lot of luck to win, okay? So let's figure out what I'm talking about here. Today, we're gonna be playing a very aggressive system, okay? The first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna get a point established. I have a $1,500 bankroll. A lot of people are like, I'm out. That's okay. But today, we're gonna go to 96 across, and that's gonna be every number across here. And let me show you what that looks like. Let's grab some more reds. So we're gonna go 96 across, okay? Remember, that's $15 levels on everything that you see here across each of these bets. Now, you're gonna play all a little bit different, right? The inside, which is the 5, the 6, the 8, and the 9, those will all pay you $21. $15 bets pay you 21. The 6 and 8 are $18 bets, also pay you 21. Now the 4 and 10 will pay you a little bit different. They are $15 bets. They're gonna pay you 27 when they hit. Okay, the goal for this lucky strategy, again, St. Patrick's Day week, how is it gonna work out for you? We're gonna power press, either press or power press everything for 3 hits, okay? Well, let's see how that looks out. Let's start off on the 6. 6 and 8 are your most predominant numbers to hit. That's across the table here. So let's start with that. Let's get 6 hits. $18 bet is gonna pay me $21, okay? When you look at that all together, let's go ahead and make it look like a red chip. When you look at it together, that looks like $39. I'm gonna drop $3 out of my bankroll, and I'm gonna make it look, let's go and color up as I go, just so you see it. I'm gonna make it look like 42. So after your first hit on the 6, it looks like 42. Let's do it again. If that $42 bet hits again, it's gonna pay me 50 for 1, $49 or 50 for 1. I'm gonna take the dollar, put it into my rack. I'm gonna go straight up to a $90 hit. Our goal is for any number, not all numbers, but for any number, in this case the 6, to hit 3 times. Guys, it can happen. It can definitely happen. So if it happens again, that's a $90 bet. That will pay me $105. At that point in time, I can reduce it all the way back or regress it all the way back to my original $18. Or I can say, you know what, let's take this deck down to a $30 bet, which is a pretty good bet. And now look here, I have $150, $165 back into my rack, which more than covers all the rest of my bets. So getting one number to hit 3 times covers all your spread. However, I get it. The hardest part is getting those 3 hits on one single number, right? You're gonna have multiple 1 hits, 2 hits, 1 hits, 2 hits across and done, and never getting that 3rd hit, which is why I'm trying to allow for about 15 shooters versus your normal 10 shooters that people like to try to do for, and saying it that way. Okay, now let's try out the 5 or 9. Remember, these are sister numbers. They will pay the same thing. Okay, let's look at the 5 for now. The 5 at $15 will pay me $21, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep the dollar, put it back onto the rack. That's gonna look like 25 there. So now it looks like $35. Power, or to press it up, looks like 35, put the dollar back in the rack. I'm gonna need it in just a second, so keep it close. If that 5 hits again, that'll pay me $49 or 50 for 1. I'm gonna go up to a $75 bet. I'm just gonna put the $10 back into the rack. Don't really need it right now. It goes to up to a $75 hit. If that 75 hits again, that will pay me $105. And that point in time, what I'm gonna do is, that's the 3rd hit. I'm gonna regress it all the way back down. That goes to my rack. It goes down to a quarter. And now I have $155 back into my rack. If that 5 hits all the way through, It covers all your bets and hitting it 3 times. All right, now let's try the 4. The 4 is going to be a little bit different, okay, but still same concept, okay. So let's look at the 4. That $15 is going to pay me 27, okay. It'll pay me 27. I'm going to go all the way up to a $40 bet. Now you would have to pay a vig on that. Typically it would be $2. You can just put it back here to the rack. That's fine. It'll go up to a $40 bet. The next bet, that 40 will pay me $80. So here we go. It looks like $80, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to a $100 bet. I'm going to put the $20 back into the rack. If it hits that 3rd time, now that $100 bet is going to pay me $200 because it pays 2 to 1. I'm going to drop it all the way back down to a $quarter bet, and now I have $275 back in my rack. That's if it hits 3 4s. So here's what we're going to do. Now, this is your press your luck type strategy. Very risky. It doesn't always happen. It doesn't always work out. Your full risk right here is a $1,500 bankroll. So I would not suggest bringing anything that you don't expect to lose, because this is a very aggressive, very lucky strategy if it hits. But we're going to play it out. We're going to see how it rolls. Let's go ahead and roll it out and see how we do. Okay, here we go. We're going to start off with a $1,500 bankroll. Again, not playing any pass lines, no don't pass, just straight up box numbers. We are going to wait to get a point set. So let's go ahead and get our first point here. Okay, it's going to be on the 5 before 1. So let's mark the point on the 5. And we're going to go 96 across. So a good way of doing that, even though you have some red chips here, let's give them $101. And then I'm going to give you a $5 back. And we're going to go 96 across. Okay, again, that's going to be $15 levels all the way across the table here on all the box numbers. Boom, just like that. 96 across. Okay, so here we are. We got all of our bets set. Straighten this up. Okay, we're going to try to get 3 numbers on the same number. That's a 6 to 5, 1. Okay, so again, some of this is going to take a little bit of power pressing. 18 is going to pay me 21. I'm going to drop down $3 out of my rack. Okay. All that together will look like 42. I'm not going to color it up yet. I will do that in just a minute. And there's a 7, 6, 1. Okay, there you go, right out of the gate. That's definitely what you can expect at the tables. 1 hit and down. That's why you definitely want to bring enough for everybody. Enough for about 15 shooters. In this case, I have a $1,500 bankroll, so I can chance to lose $96. Right? Let's turn the puck off and let's get another point set. I have a hard 6, okay? Let's mark the point on the 6, and let's do it again. Let's drop down 100, make it 100. 101, again, I'm gonna give you $5 back, just like that. And let's pull all this back, and let's drop down our bets here. So again, we're going to look at 96 across. That's all the numbers, $15 levels. And then 18 on the 6 and 8, boom, just like that. All right, we got a point set. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, there's an 8, 6, 5, 3, 8. So again, that's going to pay me 21. I'm going to drop down $3. Again, this is a power press. It'll now look like 42 when it's all said and done. I'm not going to color it up. Maybe I might do it in just a second. And there's the 9, 5, 4. Okay, 15 is going to pay me 21. 15 pay me 21. Again, I'm going to keep the dollar, put it back into the rack. I know this looks like 35. I'm going to make it look like 35. Again, I'm going to keep the red chips on it for now. There's another 9. Perfect. Okay, so here it is. That's going to pay me 50 for 1. Okay, 35 will pay me 49. I'll do it 50 for 1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make that look like a quarter, which it does now. So I'm going to keep it looking like 75. I'm going to put the $10 back into the rack. So I'm almost there on my 9 already. If I can get another 9, that would be great. Okay, there's a 5, 3, 2. It's going to pay me 21. Okay, what I can do is I'm going to kind of color it up as I go, maybe on some of these. That's going to look like 35. I'm going to put the dollar back into the rack. So doing pretty good so far. An 8, 6, 2, perfect. Okay, that's a $42 bet. That'll pay me 50 for 1. Okay, now I know it looks like $90 when it's all said and done, just because I've done this enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull all this back and make it look like 90. Just like that, okay? All right, shooter, one of these. There's a 6, okay. That's great, all right? So that's gonna pay me 21. That is our point. Let's go and turn off our point. I'm gonna drop down $3. Again, that's gonna look like 42. I can go ahead and make it look like it now. That's fine. I have the time to do it while the puck is off. So it looks like, let's go in here, boom. Looks like 42, and I'm just gonna pull the rest of these bets back. Okay, so here's what we have. First of all, we have a good roll, right? The 5 and 6 have been hit at least once. The 6 and 8 have hit twice. So I just need the puck to work with me. Okay, there's an 8. That would have been nice if our puck was on, because that would have been there, right? Would have been at the $90 bet. But we need the 6, the 5 or 6 to hit twice, and we need the 9. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what we need the 5 and the 6 to hit twice, and we need the 8 and 9 to hit once. That's the boxcars 12. That doesn't help me. Come on, shooter. And there's a 6. Okay, we're getting there. Right, that'll pay me 50 for 1. Okay, again, I'm gonna put the dollar back into the rack, and this now looks like a $90 bet. Come on, shooter, we're almost there. 9, beautiful. That worked for us, right? So what happens is that 9 will pay me 105. I'm gonna drop it down to a quarter, and I'm gonna put the rest of it back into the rack. I've secured at least one more shooter, right? The good news is you can hit multiple triple hits or triple Lux hits at the same time on the same shooter. It may work out that way, right? In this case, we have a 5, okay, for 1. Okay, that 35 is going to pay me 50 for 1. So let's go ahead and make it look like that. And then we're going to make it look like 75. Okay, I'm going to put the $10 back into the rack. Looking pretty good on this shooter for sure. There's aces. That's a dots in both places. No help to me. And you had the hard 6. Wow, did it twice now. Okay, perfect. That 90 is going to pay me 105. I'm going to take it all the way back to a $30 bet. And guess what? The rest of this is coming back to get a hot shooter. This is how you can take advantage of a hot shooter. Again, all rolls don't work out this way, obviously. But this case, it is so far. And there's another 6, so we can start it back over again. However, this time, what you could do is you can actually start pressing it up a little bit differently. Now you can go to a $60 bet, put $5 back into the rack. Again, however you want to do your pattern, your pressing pattern is totally up to you. Okay, here we go. And there's another 6 to 5-1 this time. Okay, 60 is going to pay me 90. Let's see if I get another hit. Can I get 6 hits out of the 6? Does not happen very often. I probably should be pressing it all the way up. I probably could have done that actually already. I don't know. It's up to you however you want to do it. There's aces. You've already made the money off that shooter, so it's totally up to you how you want to press it. And there's a 3, craps 3. Have we hit like the small yet or the tall, or we've gotten close, right? There's another 9. Okay, 25, pay me 35. Just go up to a $50 bet, put the 10 back into the rack. And there's a yo 11. Gosh, that may have been the tall. I think that might have been everything. What have I not hit so far? I haven't hit a 4, I guess, and I haven't hit a 10 because there's not pressed up yet. And there's another 9, 6-3 this time. Okay, 50 will pay me 70. Now let's do it 75 for 5. Let's get a couple of these reds out of here. Okay, and let's make it look like 100. I'm gonna put the $25 back into the rack. See if I can get a big hit out of that 9 this time. We do. Got another 9. Wow, what a shooter, what a shooter. Okay, so that $100 bet will pay me 140. What I'll do, I'll call it 150 for 10. And guess what? I'm gonna regress this thing all the way back down. I'm gonna take it all the way back down. Why? Because I'm securing now $100 and $225 off of that one hit, or really the multiple hits that it did. Just put that money back into the rack, okay? And let's press that thing all the way back down. And there's an 8. We've hit every one of these numbers at least 3 times. Wow, huge, right? Okay, 8, that's gonna pay me 105, right? And at that point in time, I'm gonna bring it all the way back down, and all this is coming back to my rack. I wish I could get a hit like this on a cruise. That would be nice. The puck is off. And there's a 3 to 5. Let's mark the point on the 5. Okay, let's go. Yo 11, no help to me. Come on, shooter. And there's another 9. Perfect. 25 is going to pay me 35. Let's go to a 50. Put the $10 back into the rack. I didn't have to regress a while ago. You definitely don't always have to regress, but you know, it never hurts getting a little bit more of that money back into your rack. And then you can say, you know what? It's go time. Let's go, right? $15 is going to pay me 27. Again, I'm going to go all the way up to a $40 bet. Let's put the $2 for the VIG. We put it back into the rack just like that. Okay, there's a 4. We're going to do the exact same thing. 314. That's going to pay me $27. Go go all the way up, and I think that may have literally been the ATS. I may have to look at it. I'm gonna try to go back and look. That may have been the ATS actually, because I can't think of any other number that I'm looking to hit that I haven't hit already. I think I've hit them all. Okay, there's an 862. That is going to pay me $35. I'm going to go up to a $60 bet, put the $5 back into the rack. And there's a 617. Wow. Okay. What a shooter. What a shooter. Here's what I'm going to do. I feel like you have somewhat of the idea of what we're doing, right? Again, if you haven't already seen the rollout, if you missed the rollout, all we're doing is playing a Triple Lux system. I hope you've enjoyed it. Again, this is a very, I'm not going to roll out anymore. There's no reason to roll it out. We had a totally aggressive system. Okay, here, let's count. Let's move this out to the side. Let's count out and see where we are. Remember, we started with $1,500. Let's go ahead and say we had a massive roll. Probably one of my best rolls we've had since doing videos. That was really, really nice, including hitting the ATS. So if you look down there, we did actually hit the ATS after I looked at it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is 5. So that's my $1,500. The rest of it is profit, which seems like I probably could have made a little bit more than that. I don't know. Let's see here. You got 1, 2, 3. That's 400. That's 500. So we've definitely made more money on other videos, which is good that we're doing the regression and all that. So if I'd have kept it pressing up, we probably definitely could have made more. That's 400. This is 500 total. And let's count the rest of this here. 25, 50, 75, 100. It's 10 and 2. Okay, you ready? So this is our initial starting bankroll. That's 1,500. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $612 profit, guys. So we had huge inside hits. That's huge inside hits, right? We hit the ATS, which is always cool. I know sometimes it's about the strategy, but sometimes it's about, you know what, how often do you hit the ATS on a roll? In this case, it's a random shooter on a rollout video. Again, I have not tracked that too much. I have not seen that too often. But as I was going through this rolls, I'm trying to think, what haven't we hit? First, it was a 4 and a 10. Then we hit the 10, and then we hit the 4 back to back. So that's how it wrote, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this content, guys. Again, to me, if you want to go back and rewatch the strategy, that's fine. I'm not going to continue to roll this out because I can guarantee I could try to roll this out one more time and we're going to hit a PSO, 1 hit down, 2 hits down. That's definitely part of it. But to me, it's kind of cool to hit the ATS and have a big run at it. Okay, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this content. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you're subscribed. Hit the comments down below. Hit the like button. Show me your support and show the algorithm that you like this video. Okay, guys, till next time, mark the point and stay awesome.